Oh, mate, you gotta watch our YouTube.
I don't even know what it's called.
Oh, Bad Fab.
So, you've all seen the video. Well, you probably haven't actually. But majority of you seen the video where I blow up the skid car. And, well, Dylan so kindly got me another motor. $100, can't complain. We've got a little short block. Half of it's right here. We've already slightly pulled it apart just so I can make sure that it's alright. And there's some time lapses of that. So we'll chuck that in right here. And then I went and brought some parts. So and then we got some heat gaskets. I think it's about $80 each, bro.
Not too shabby. That's pretty cheap.
Pretty good. Assembly lube. That's just
that.
and then gasket RTV.
Yeah.
Some ACL race bearings. So those bad boys pretty cheap. Actually, all of this was pretty cheap. Crank bearings. And then this is sock on it. I'm like,
Yeah, I really hope it works for considering
and just some factory head bolts because don't they only make a 1.5 motor? Oh, sock. I think they do a 2 litre sock, but it's not really old.
I was going to try and compare it to.
Make sure they're the same size at least.
There's 6 aside, so there should be 12.
Well, they're longer.
Let's just hope they don't bottom out before they're fully tight.
Yeah. That's not really ideal.
That's not ideal.
Yeah.
Right. The record.
I don't know how much of that you missed.
But yeah, this is a bit of a make and break moment. We have sock. They're head studs, right?
Yeah, head bolts.
Head bolts. And they're a bit longer.
They're a bit longer than the ones that came out of the motor. Well, the old motor. This is a different short block, so.
So you were going to put the head on the block and make sure it doesn't bottom out before it gets tight.
There will be a head gas in there too, you know.
Yeah, that's just...
Take like milk.
Yeah, not enough to care for this test.
Oh, yeah. What are they, 14s eh?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, that's a 15.
Oh.
It just grips us enough.
Please, please, please.
Nope. Way too long.
Damn.
That's a bit done. We're just putting some of this little
Yeah, old engineer's lube.
engine assembly lube on there. And then we're gonna torque those on. Do you remember the guy said
New
like
bearings are in there.
35 foot-pounds or something like that, was it?
Yes.
Yeah. So
2 stages,
Yeah.
17 and 13.
17 and then 35, yeah.
Yeah.
And then we'll do that. We'll put the assembly lube on the inside of the bearings of the con rods. And we'll put assembly lube on all the bearing faces on the crank. So then we'll just flip that over real quick. We'll just lube this side of it. And then we're going to just bolt it. We'll give these a quick clean out because they might have a bit of...
Yeah, most definitely. Get them a clean off.
And then we'll bolt the crank. Well, we'll bolt the block back together with the crank.
And then deal with this annoying part of trying to
get the cotter pins back into The pistons and the conrods.
Mechanics.
Mechanic. Bam.
That's together.
Gang signs.
No.
Um,
It's not talked yet.
no, it's not talked, but it's all together and it feels delicious. And it's only done up finger tight, so I'm liking that. I don't want to give it too much of a
Yeah. Not until she's tight.
yeah. So we need 10, 13, 12,
Torque wrench.
12. Torque wrench. Now, one thing about this torque wrench is I did catch someone using it as a breaker bar, and when I grabbed it, it wasn't set to 0. It was still at some sort of torque setting. So, yeah, that's an issue.
It will be closer than our guesses.
Yeah, that's yeah. We're already doing it backyard enough. We might as well just carry on.
Mm.
Oh,
I'll give you a hand.
35 newton meters.
You want to show the people what we managed to accomplish?
Oh, yes. Right. We have it at 35 foot-pounds. Foot-pounds. Did I actually set it to the right side? Yes, I did.
Always got to double check.
Now we've got them
They're all freely moving.
freely moving. Oh, we should probably lube these before we put it in the...
Oh yeah, all the bearings.
Yeah. Those two.
Just hold up other rods. Good job. I mean, it's all lined up. It seems
It
nice.
seems to be sitting where it needs to be sitting.
I mean, we'll just put the bearings in the other half, lube her up, sit it together.
Sweet.
Nice.
Okay.
I'm feeling
Push it to the
confident.
back.
tuck
We'll
it to the
lift it
side. Yeah.
We'll lift that up there. And then we'll get the other half prepped. So how nice and clean this one is.
So fresh and so clean.
Put bearings in.
Daily, this is the lucky last step before we slap the two together, make it one, and hopefully she spins for freely.
Yeah. Oh, you motherfucker. It's not in the right place.
Perfect.
Okay, moment of truth.
All you, mate.
Alrighty. There.
Been a nice stay out.
Boom.
Oh yeah, call us mechanics. It's together.
Yeah, there's like minimal squishage, but there's squishage. That's all we like to see.
Yeah. You happy?
I'm pretty happy, to
Yeah.
be honest. Like,
I feel like we've done everything
we
right.
won't turn that to shit.
Yeah,
Wait till
no.
This box talked it up.
Yeah, we'll
Okay,
go ahead
so-
and grab those main bolts, chuck them in.
So, which one's a which? Moment of truth.
Oh, still spin.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh. It doesn't turn.
it doesn't turn.
It doesn't turn. This could be an issue.
It's not a good shine.
No.
It's just turning before. She turned after the 15 foot-pounds of torque.
I don't check it after the 25.
After the 25, yeah.
Yeah, what I'm gonna do. Be a rough cunt. Just see if it needs to be like.
Manipulated a little bit.
Yeah. Okay, just needed a little bit of
Free.
manipulation. I got a mark on it. Get them all out.
Yeah. Get them out, set them up. Clean environment.
Same mark.
You're looking at this double dash.
Yeah.
So
There's no.
on the top they got the dot
F6H.
towards the front or back.
The dot
maybe.
towards the front, I think. Yeah, the dot goes towards the front. So we've all got A's on them except for this one, which has got a B. Do we Google it real quick?
One day we'll just fill it with concrete and then just like run it on alcohol.
I've heard some. This is, yeah, people do that.
Yeah. That'd be sick.
Alright. Day 2.
No day, no dollar.
Putting this in. It's going to be pretty simple. All we've got to do today is finish putting the rest of these bad boys in.
With our fancy.
Yeah.
Ring compressor.
Ring compressor. Yeah, buddy. And then clean this surface up. Clean these. Clean the what do you call them? The deck. I think that's what it's called. And then I've got a roller somewhere and we can just make sure that it's not like there's not any like low spots in
Yeah,
there.
be within our tolerance.
Yeah. Our eye ball tolerance.
Mm.
And then that will be all we can do for now.
Until we get those new bulbs.
Yeah. And then we can pull the rest of that.
The whole short block together.
Yeah. So. Oh no! I told you I
Forgot
forgot.
about that.
Forgot.
No, well, we can scrape that off and
Yeah, just put a little bit on.
go again. We got one piston in last night
Yeah, you got that.
and then we ran out of daylight, so we thought we'd call it a day.
Yeah, and run out of food in my tummy.
Yeah, that too.
So, we'll scrape that off. Trusty kitchen knife.
Yeah, only the best.
Only the best. Sure, it comes off easy. Not really. I mean, that's a good thing, I suppose.
Oh, we'll set up a little time lapse.
Yeah, and
Clean that up. Get the pistons in. Clean off our surfaces. Go from there.
Yeah, we'll go from there.
Sweet.
Good to go. Good to go. Sweet.
Okay.
You going?
Yep.
You going?
Okay, so explain the mischief we've gone
Okay,
through.
alright, okay. So we got that first one in using
Yeah, it was pretty easy.
trusty hose clamp. Tried to do this one the same way, and then this happened. A little bit of a chip off the ring.
We got into a bit of a mishap.
Yeah. So, because this is bad fab, we went to my old block, we pulled one of the pistons out, which happened to have a bit of water in it, and then we took the ring out of the top of there. Fuck. I mean, whoops. And then
It's the same size.
it's the same size, we lined them up and they seem to be the same gap and everything. So we put that one in, and now we thought, because we don't really want to keep doing that, 'cause it's not ideal, we'll go buy one of these.
They're cheap enough, so.
Open like that. Fucking clean. Way too big. Oh no,
Oh.
it's almost the right way. Yeah, so we got this now. I need to put some of this on the inside. And then we can carry on a lot more safely.
Yeah,
I feel like
sounds
by the
like a
end we
good plan.
finish doing this whole build, we're going to have all the right tools.
To do it again and
Do it
again.
and again and again and again. So
I like that.
that'll be good. And also when we did that lawnmower video before the fuels, it sort of gave us like
A nice array
a
of.
nice array of things to like clean and
Yeah, actually set up a little.
it's good. It's good. So let's
Oh.
crack on with this.
Back into it.
Hard spot. It's not ideal.
Not ideal.
No.
Is it
Yeah,
just
it's
like the
like
top
part of
dead
it.
centre point?
Maybe. I'd like to put the bottom. Maybe, possibly. Because that's there.
She's together though.
Yeah.
She's a fool. The question is a bit more free than when we bought it.
Yeah. I don't know. I think so. If my hands were not greasy, then I might be able to change that. But yeah,
Everything feels and seems solid.
yeah, seems pretty good. So I'm happy with that.
I'm pretty happy. Just a couple of covers to put on now,
Yeah.
and that's that all put together.
Mm. And then we'll just clean up that surface, and then get some of this red gasket shit out of there.
Yeah, shit
Inside.
it floating around.
And we're good to go.
Mm.
Me.
Right. Conclusion of today is
She's together.
it's together. It's good to go. We've cleaned the like ceiling surface. Ow. And then we've just got to get some Scotch-Brite or something to just gently clean the deck, and then do the same to the heads, because I'm guessing they've probably got like similar stuff on it. So we'll do that, and then once I've got the new head bolts, we can slap all that together. Good to go, good to go, and then the whole motor will be back together after I get the cam covered.
Hopefully in the next couple of videos, listening will be back in the skid car.
Doing skids in the driveway.
Go test it some now.
Yeah. Yeah, it rotates. Would you like to show them? It rotates.
Or just
Yeah.
Look at that greatness. Freely spinning. Ready to make some power.
Yep. Good go.
Fuck yeah.
So, just gonna have to wait till I don't know when. Hopefully the next video.
Yeah, I'd say
Should be going. Yeah.
once we got those head bolts,
Yeah.
heads
and
are
the
on.
Cam cover.
Yeah.
Can we run no cam cover? We'll see what we've got left of that other cam cover, what we can like put on it, and then we'll just run that if it all comes down to it.
Yeah.
But yeah, sweet.
Well,
Good to go.
thank you guys for watching.
Yeah. And we'll catch you in the next vid.
Her. Oh, mate, you gotta watch our YouTube.
I never know what it's called.
Oh, Bad Fab.